Before I could walk, I could dance. In the warm embrace of my mother, if I heard any upbeat music, I'd start bouncing around happily in her arms. And thus the pattern ensued. Music would come on came the dancing. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever had joy just burst out of you? For me, when I dance, joy just bursts out. Whether it's dancing to dance remixes, whether it's spinning to salsa music, or whether it's just jamming in my jammies to reggae in the mornings. Doesn't matter. And the formal lessons started in college. For my phys ed requirement, I picked ballroom dance. There I learned the smooth dances. There was the foxtrot, the quick step, the waltz. The teacher was very adamant that we have to have our knees always bent so we could glide across the dance floor. Our stance had to be very strong and solid, a strong frame. No spaghetti arms, he'd say. Spaghetti arms. So there I learned that the flexibility and the grace and the strength, I learned all of those through dance. And I learned that centuries beforehand, my ancestors had harnessed this power of dance. It was a way of life for them. For my ancestors, they danced to bring on fertility. They danced to, right before the hunt, they danced to bring on the rain to nourish the crops. That dance of my ancestors was more like this, very much grounded. But my dance is more like this. In the movie classic Singing in the Rain, Gene Kelly probably filmed one of the most joyous scenes ever seen in music history. And all he had was an umbrella and the downpour. He epitomized what it means to not wait for the storm to pass, but to actually have fun in it. And it went something like this. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'm singing, dancing in the rain. Which just goes to show you don't have to carry a tune to let that song. You don't even have to dance physically to have that joy emanate. I think the one person who epitomizes this is my mother. Physically, she cannot dance. The strength in her knees has gone out. But she is strong nonetheless. With her morning prayer is this. Thank you for another day. Thank you for the blessings. Her dance is a dance of gratitude. Her dance is a dance of appreciation and a celebration of life. Now, in my dance lessons, have I ever stepped on any toes? Absolutely.
Ouch.
But that's okay, because you just catch the rhythm again. And just like in dance, there's rises and falls. In life, dance with life, with its rises and falls, with its missteps, you'll catch the rhythm again. Embrace life with all of that. And I leave you with the words to one of my favorite songs. If you ever get the chance to sit it out or dance, I hope you dance.